Hey, what's up guys, it's Hardik back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can copy text from app and sites with disabled text selection. Let's begin. First of all, install the Universal Copy app from the Play Store. Next, open the app, provide all preferences and permissions required by the app. Now, Instagram description is what we are showcasing in this video because I personally copy the description and take notes from some great influencers out there, and you could also need this to copy the URL in the description because Instagram does not provide clickable links in description, which is frustrating. Just stop at the screen you want to copy the text, pull down the notification, select Universal Copy, and now it enables you to copy text and simply paste on your notes or directly share through WhatsApp, etc. Also, you can copy the text from the sites following the same procedure. So that was pretty easy, right? Last video we mentioned that we are going to give away JBL Go 2 speaker, and the winner has been announced on our Instagram story and Twitter. So if you guys are not following us on our social media platform, please make sure you follow us on @radness_tech, because we're gonna come up with more and more giveaways for you awesome people. Until the next video, take care and stay rad.